What's up, YouTube? What's happening? It's your boy Ray, man. Let's jump into another cold video, bruh. I'm about to be teaching y'all the secrets of email marketing, so make sure you watch till the end, man. It's something I struggled with for a very, very long time, man. Just sit down, look at my screen, and be like, damn, how do I make money off email marketing? I used to see everybody else making money off it, and I was the only one that was like, bro, this is not it. And then I sat down, I found the secret. I'm about to give it to y'all for absolutely free. Give it to you guys for absolutely free. So, why don't we just get straight into it, man? Let's not waste any time, but make sure you guys like this video, man. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. The more support I get, YouTube pays me, I'll put out more game for free. So, that's the least you could do. Go up. And then make sure you hold up, I got you. Make sure you go grab yourself a notebook. See this? Grab yourself a notebook and a pen. Stop jerking off, hold your balls, and get ready to make some fucking money with Ray. So, class is in session, motherfucker. Let's do it. So, jumping straight into it, I'm just going to be sharing my screen, and that's how we going to do it, man. So, as you can see, this is one of my biggest secrets that I've kept secret. Omnisend. Omnisend. So, I stumbled upon this very randomly. Found this app, played around with it, made a lot of money with it, and I'm like, wow. So guess what? A little story time. I actually hopped on a call with the founder, and I'm like, dude, I love this app. I want some more improvements, blah, blah, blah. You know, we chopped it up, and then I'm like, hey, I want a custom discount code. They're like, we could do that. I'm like, I want a custom one. They're like, oh, so you want a custom one? We've never done that. I'm like, I want a custom one. And guess what they did for your boy? We officially have our own custom discount code for Omnisend. So the link's going to be in bio. Click on the link. Go make yourself an account. And let me just tell you guys the code. Wolves20. Now, for those who don't know how to spell, it's all caps. WOLVES20. 20% off for 2 months. It's a banging app, and I'm gonna get straight into it and show y'all why it's such a banging app, man. Because I love using it. I genuinely love using this app because I'm a lazy ass motherfucker. I don't like doing a lot of shit. I like chilling, and this app allows me to sit down and chill out and not go out and hire a fucking email marketing team to do God knows what and lose more money. I don't really have to do too much shit, but like I told you guys. And by the way, the smaller your list, the cheaper it is. Even if you have a couple thousand people, it's probably 20, 30 bucks a month. If you have over like 20, 30,000 people, then it's a little pricey, probably like 100, 200, but it all depends on the size of your list. That's what the pricing's based on. But for us, we've pretty much made back whatever we spent on this app. And I'm about to show you guys how, and basically the secret on what we did, how we did it, and how effective it is, man. So let's not waste any time. Let's get straight into it, man. Okay, boom. So jumping straight into it. As you guys can see, in the last 7 days, off emails alone, we have made 2.5K. Now, let's look at the last 30 days. We have made $16,000 off emails. Now, we did do $4,000 off campaigns, but I'm a lazy motherfucker. Majority of our revenue came from automations. What are automations? A lot of people might ask. They're automatic emails that send out and make a lot of money. I'm going to get into it. I'm going to show you guys. But in order to understand email marketing and how to even do it, it's majority, I don't know how to explain it to the majority, but I'm going to dumb it down. 5th grade reading level. Remember how you were a kid and you like looking at books, but you didn't like reading, but you like looking at pictures and a little bit of text? It's the same shit. It's the same fucking shit, bro. It's not that hard. It's very easy to do email marketing. You just have to treat these customers like they're little kids, bro. That is literally it. It's not that hard. But yeah, so as you can see, boom, the home page, kind of like my favorite page. I like looking at it because who doesn't love these results? Back then, I used to see like $100 a month from email marketing. I'd be like, wow, my emails made some money, or I get an order and I'll be like, wow, I just made money off email marketing, man. Now I see $16,000 off email marketing, and it's like, wow, how do I take this up to like, more? How do I make this, 50, 60K? So we're slowly getting to that point, but since we've gotten to this point, feels fair to show everyone. But like I told you guys, use the code if you want 20% off. It's worth it. It's going to save you a lot of money. It's for 2 months. So Wolves 20, don't forget. Yes, moving forward. Now, let's head over to automation, the top right here. I've been playing around with a lot of these automations. Some are brand new. I just set these up just for fun, but let's just scroll down. As you guys can see, I set this up on October 29th. It sent out 3,000 emails and it's made us $7,000 already. This is the abandoned checkout. I'm just going to show you guys how I did it, the ones I did, but essentially these are just all automatic. Imagine you don't have to sit down. You don't have to do any type of email marketing. All you have to do is just sit down, turn them on, relax. They're going to do their thing. Don't get me wrong. Campaigns are necessary. If you want to make more money, do campaigns. I will teach you how to do that too. But when it comes to this, it's very simple. Automations are all automatic. If you want, you can even screenshot the ones I have on. Some of them are already making money already. Abandoned cart, boom, 61 emails sent, $100 in already. And FYI, these are just the base ones. I haven't really tweaked them too much. I tweaked some of them, but I found that the base ones they provide make so much more money. Now, for example, you go on Klaviyo, no offense to any of these other apps, you go to Klaviyo or any other app, you're going to have to sit down, make them from scratch, or pretty much you have to make them from scratch on the majority of them. That's what I've seen. But all I do is click create workflow and you have all of these. So I'm just going to walk you guys through it. So let's say I click welcome. I feel like the ×3 one is pretty good too, but they do have the SMS option. If I were you, I would get the SMS included just because it brings in a big chunk of revenue. But mainly we use PostScript for SMS marketing, but Omnisend is still viable for it. Now let's say I click customize, boom, we're in here and it's already preset. You can edit a couple things if you want to. So welcome, here's a 10% discount, blah, blah, blah. You can change the pre-header, the subject line, whatever you want. If you actually want to edit the email, you click edit content. Oh, wow. Give me tips. But boom, look, you literally have everything right here. It's already pre-made. If I were you, I just move it to the center. It just takes care of the rest. Needless to say, you don't have to do too much. It literally takes care of everything for you. You don't have to do shit. It's heaven for lazy motherfuckers like me. I'm lazy as shit. I don't like doing shit, but guess what? I don't have to do anything. But yeah, moving forward, let's get off that. I'm just gonna show you guys the automations that I prefer using and what you guys should turn on. So boom, I always have a welcome automation. You could even do ×3. I've seen either this one or this one. You could even turn both on. Boom. So the first two, cart abandonment, I would do abandoned cart, abandoned checkout value split, and then abandoned checkout with this one. So it has one SMS in there. Boom, I would just turn them on. You don't have to do too much. Start off by turning on the base ones on and leave those for a bit. Slowly get used to it, start learning it. Now let's go to browse abandonment. I'll probably turn on the engagement split ones. Those I've seen do pretty well. You could do back in stock. It's honestly personal preference. It doesn't matter. Post-purchase, this one's pretty cool. The reactivation gets some type of sales. Order follow-up builds good rapport with the customer. Let's go to special occasions. You could even do a birthday one. It's pretty fucking cool. And transactional. The order confirmation is what has made us a big chunk of money for no reason. This is basically the email that confirms their order. And somehow, I don't know why, I don't question it, it confirms it. They go and they buy something else. And I sit here like, why? But hey, I ain't questioning it. I'm not gonna question it. I like it. It works. So I would just tell you guys, turn on the one with the text message. So this one, and then cancellation. Don't matter. Boom. But all these options for automations are gonna make you a big chunk of money. So boom, that's automations out of the way. Comment down what other type of videos you want in terms of email marketing, SMS marketing, websites, ads, whatever you want to see. You ask and you shall receive. So if you're liking what I'm teaching you so far, sit down, like the video, go comment for the algorithm, and share it with y'all friends, man. But yeah, as you can see, just screenshot these if you want. it's very simple. There's nothing to it. Like, look, order confirmation $1,500, abandoned checkout value split $7,000. Like, it's no brainer. It's a literal no brainer. You can find campaigns up there, forms if you want to collect forms, audience, reports. If you want a more in-depth video for email marketing, comment down and I'll make a video on how to do proper campaigns. I could even make videos on forums, on collecting leads through Facebook ads, audiences, even reports and segmenting. There's a lot to learn in this, but it's just one chunk for the lazy motherfuckers that are just like me. You're welcome. Enjoy. Have some fun. Go print yourself some fucking money, bruv. So, with that being said, Omnisend, Wolves20 for 20% off. Save yourself some money. Link in the bio. Click the link. Make an account. Use the code. And just get started. Start making some fucking money. Stop lacking. This will make you a lot of money that you are missing out on. You don't want to say no to money. You want to say, yes, I want money. So just do that. Pay attention. You shall be successful. But boom. Alright, YouTube. So if y'all enjoyed that video, man, that was a little short video showing y'all some game, the whole secret to email marketing. I'm going to drop some game on campaigns. I'm going to drop some game on literally A to Z, SMS, campaigns, whatever y'all want, man. So let's comment down below. By the way, I have a lot of themes that I sell too for pretty cheap, but that's not why I'm bringing this up. I'm bringing this up because your boy wanted to bless somebody. So whoever comments on this, I'm gonna be picking 2 comments. Comment whatever you want, whatever type of video you want. I'm picking 2 comments. Make sure you sub. I'm gonna just give you the theme lifetime for free. A lot of them are on subscription, a lot of them are paid. These themes are known to be high converting themes. We're doing approximately over 100K a month per store with these themes, with these email marketing strategies, as y'all saw. And we going crazy. So it's not just one email marketing video that I'm gonna make and be like, yeah, this is it. No, I'm giving you guys the full scoop. In order for me to give the full scoop, make sure you're subbed. Make sure you blessing your boy up. Make sure y'all sharing them, man. Get me monetized on YouTube. I'm very close to getting monetized. I'm gonna just keep going hard, and I ain't stopping. By the way, I just got my first car, so I'm gonna have a YouTube video out on that too. Stay tuned. It was my dream car. It was a Beamer. So I hope y'all ready for all the type of videos I'm about to drop, man. It's your boy Ray, man. And then another code video. Session closed. Make sure y'all have a good day, man. Spread love, spread positivity. Make sure you're always learning. And last but not least, hold your balls, motherfucker.